Rachel Zoe, if you could make every box a gorgeous metallic rose gold, that would be amazing. This is my go-to iced coffee. It is a scoop and a half of the Ollie chocolate protein powder and just some whatever iced coffee is on sale at Target. Hello everyone, today I'll try not to blind you with this beautiful box, but I got the Rachel Zoe winter box of style today. I literally have not opened it at all, like at all. So this is gonna be a true unboxing. I love doing these videos. I have so much fun. So I hope that you guys enjoy seeing what is inside, and I will talk about details of the subscription service toward the end. So I'll just go ahead and talk about the first thing. It actually came, this box came like inside of the bag, and then the bag came in one cardboard box. And what I really appreciated this time, I already tossed it in the recycling. What I appreciated this time about the box that I haven't noticed before is that the packaging, the plastic packaging that it just kind of came wrapped in just to keep the bag nice and safe had a little recycle sign on it. So I thought it was really nice that the box of style is using recyclable plastic, and that was just a nice little thing to see. It is a faux leather bag, but I have to say the faux leather on this, when I honestly grabbed the handle, I was like very shocked by it. It is so soft and it's not crinkly, it's not hard, like it's very bendable and movable, whereas a lot of faux leather bags just aren't. My only complaint with this bag, and I just have one, is I wish that this strap was removable, the longer strap, but it's fine, it's not a big deal. You could like tie it with a hair tie and just tuck it in. I wanted to show you guys the bag on so that you could see what it looked like. I am 5'6" for height comparison, so you can see height wise I'm 5'6", and this is on the setting that it came on. It's currently on the middle setting, and it definitely comes up a little higher, so if I was going to intentionally wear it as a crossbody, I'd probably lower it one. But if I was just in a pinch and wanted to throw it crossbody, like, I don't think it's bad, and it sits pretty comfortably behind me, so I love how it sits. Also, if you wanted to carry it, you know, by the handles and just throw it over your shoulder for a second if you needed your hands, I think that this middle setting for me is probably, I don't know what I would use day to day, but I also might tighten it. I'm not quite sure. All right, first product is Anamika Haircare product. This is the Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. I love Amika. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I just bought an Amika shampoo conditioner holiday set. So I love the scent of Amika products. One of my best friends, she, I think, still exclusively uses their dry shampoo. Oh my God, their products just smell so good. Really excited to try this. I am growing my hair out right now. It's getting really long and it's actually looking good. And I will talk to you guys at some point about how I am keeping my hair long and nice, but I'm excited to incorporate this into my routine. This is a beautiful watch. Oh my goodness, it is prettier in person. It is a rose gold mesh metal watch. It is the brand Eddi and Borgo. I absolutely love it. I have one other watch that is a beige leather strap Kate Spade watch, and I've kind of been wanting a metal one actually. So this is so perfect. I love the rose gold. If you are a rose gold or blush lover, this box is like a must-have for you. Next up is a jewelry piece, and we have this gorgeous ring. It is a little Marquise diamond. It's open in the back, so it just looks like a stack of rings. And for this box, you have the choice between rose gold and gold. She always gives you a choice between two items. In the past, it's been between a black purse and a white purse, or silver jewelry, gold jewelry. This time it was the choice between rose gold and gold. And I think that rose gold and gold are so nice. I just think for like the holiday winter season, I don't know why I think that they're so synonymous with one another. But if you're a silver person, you could have gone with the rose gold in this box, and I think rose gold is definitely like that middle ground between the two metals that looks pretty with anything. Oh, and I didn't say the brand of this ring. This is a Love AJ ring. Little finger bling for the holidays. Why did I just say finger bling? This is the Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Oil. I have wanted this since Claire Marshall first talked about it in one of her skincare routines like so long ago. And about as I drop it on the floor, I ended up purchasing the Ufo oil, which is the green one. I had it and I liked it. It just didn't do what I wanted it to, which I think that was my own personal problem because I had never really had acne before, and all of a sudden I had acne and I didn't know what to do. So looking back on it, I don't blame the oil and I don't blame Sunday Riley. I just don't think that was the right product to treat the acne issue I was having. But I've always wanted the sleeping oil, and the sleeping oil is blue, but when you rub it in and let it soak into your face for a minute, you're gonna be fine. It's not going to, you know, stain your sheets. I think I read one review and someone said that it left a mark on their sheets, but it washed out just fine. I'm slightly nervous because I do use a silk pillowcase, so I think that when I use this product, I'm going to have to apply it definitely at least an hour before bed. Make sure that I'm not doing my skincare routine like right before bed and then falling asleep with my face up. Just the first few times until I feel ambitious enough, but I will definitely report back on this, and I am so excited to add this to my skincare routine. Okay, so in case you're new to one of my Rachel Zoe unboxing videos, at the beginning or end, I just kind of like to talk about the subscription service, my overall experience, and why I love it so much. So I think the biggest reason for me that I love this box is the value. For example, the Luna Sleeping Oil retails for $105. This whole box is $100. Do the math. I know there are a ton of different subscription services out there. People love FabFitFun. What are some other popular ones? I feel like Birchbox and Ipsy have kind of like fallen by the wayside because there are amazing boxes like this that give you full-size products and a better value, honestly. Another great thing about these boxes, if there's ever something that you don't really like, for example, the ring. Let's say you are a diehard silver person and this box only had gold or rose gold. Just get one and then you have a gift for someone next time. This is a beautiful gift. It comes with your pouch, your ring, you wrap it up, a nice card, bada bing bada boom, and it costs you, like in theory, $0. So that's another great idea. Any previous blog posts that I have about the subscription service or any previous YouTube videos I have on it will be linked down below so you can get any more information. I also have a code down below if you want $10 off your first box. Brings the first box down to like $80, I think. It just depends on whether you sign up to pay your 1-year chunk, which is $350 if you pay for all 4 seasons at once, which saves you $50, or if you want to go pay it season by season, it's $100 a box. So it just depends on which payment plan works best for you. But I do have a code down below for $10 off your first box if you want to use it, and then it would even bring it down to like $340 for the year, and you feel really good about yourself when you get a deal. Really quickly before we go, since I'll have this up before Christmas, this is a little shirt. It's a cropped sweatshirt. It says cheers. It's super cute. I'll also have this link down below, and any other details that you guys want to know, or if I didn't answer anything, leave me a question down below. Let me know what your favorite subscription box is too, because I'm curious. So thank you guys so much for taking a little time, especially around the holiday season, to watch this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.